Hi there, students. Exigent, exigent. Okay, an adjective, exigently, the adverb. I guess even exigence, the noun. Okay, we use this with two slightly different meanings. If a problem is really urgent, is really pressing, then it's exigent. So we have an exigent need for more water in this area. There is an exigent need for more doctors to help hold back this outbreak of disease. And then you could define a person as exigent, where they're very demanding, where they ask for more than is reasonable. They're very exacting. They want everything to be exactly right, exactly perfect. So they're a very demanding person. They're very critical. He is always very exigent. He normally requires more than is reasonable. Yeah. So I do my work with reasonable care, but I think my boss is exigent because he demands more care than is reasonable. He will not accept even the smallest mistake, and everybody makes mistakes from time to time. He's very exigent. He requires a great amount of attention. It's more than could be considered reasonable. The officer was very exigent about the way the soldiers carried out their duties. Okay, there were exigent circumstances which meant that I just had to act. I couldn't wait to see what was going to happen. So exigent, urgent, pressing, necessary, critical. And then an exigent person, exigent demands, hard, taxing, very difficult. Okay, I think this word exigent, this is one of these words that's becoming less and less common. It's fairly formal. So exigent circumstances require immediate action, require that something is done or there's going to be a terrible problem. There's a fire in the room next door. These are exigent circumstances that you've got to get up and do something right now. Or you could have an exigent client, somebody who is very demanding, who wants everything absolutely perfect, everything done in exactly the right way. So an exigent client. Okay, I have money put aside for exigent circumstances. When there's a disaster, there's money put away for a rainy day when there is a problem. So exigent, formal. So something that's pressing, demanding. It is not easy to do. So yeah, the course for this marathon is very exigent. It demands a lot from you. It takes a lot from you. And then an exigent manager, somebody who demands that you do things perfectly. An exigent problem, it needs dealing with right away. It's not something that you can leave till later. So exigent, urgent, needing immediate attention. Yeah, this person is very ill. These are exigent circumstances, and you need to take them as fast as you can to hospital. Yeah, and then exigent, requiring a great deal of effort, requiring that something is exactly perfect. Okay, this is a formal phrase, a formal word. I think exigent, I'm going to give it 7.5 in formality, and it comes from Latin exigens, from the verb exigo, I demand or I require. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Exigent.